everybody, I'm back, and today I wanted to make a quick little video with a little announcement. If you're new here, welcome to the Nail Coven. Sometimes I make videos where I'm just talking about whatever I feel like talking about. I was thinking about it the other day and I haven't really had like a title or anything for those kinds of videos, and I was been kind of feeling lost on like what my Tuesday videos are about really. Sometimes it's about business of nails, sometimes it's just about something else going on in the industry, or it's just me talking. But I did notice a common denominator in all these videos. I have my tea with me usually. And it's Tuesdays that I usually upload them. And you may have noticed, I like it when I title my things with the same letter, like Makeup Mondays and Skincare Saturdays. So I thought on Tuesdays we could have tea and talk. I'm calling it Tuesday Tea. And we will have our tea and we will discuss whatever I feel like. Probably something related to nails, the beauty industry, or on a whim, it may be something completely different. It's basically just my day to blab. Because if you haven't noticed, I can sometimes have a lot to say. If there's anything that you guys want to discuss on Tuesday Tea, comment below and let me know. So yeah, I just wanted to make that really quick video and let you know my plans for the channel. I don't know why I like to let you guys know ahead of time. I don't want to just surprise you with these things, catch you off guard. So be prepared with your tea on Tuesdays, cuddle up on the couch, and let's just talk. So thank you for joining me on this quick little announcement video. If you liked it, let me know by giving it a like. It lets me know what kind of videos to make. Make sure and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you'll know when I upload new videos and you won't miss our tea date. I will see you in the next one.